This is CNN Breaking News.
Welcome back to CNN Breaking News. I am Mike Austin, and today in this breaking news is, a large turtle-like creature has awoken in Pennsylvania after the event OF, the demon werewolf. He woke up after 700 years ago underground in Pennsylvania. And for all the remaining residents that have escaped Cherry's rage, we are sorry and may all hope you find a better home. Oh shit, what happened? The town lights are on. How did the lights go out? Who's there? Holy fuck.
大変恐縮なのですが、息の根、止めさせていただいてもよろしいでしょうか。許しません。
The following message is transmitted at the request from the St. Paul Police Department. Residents of St. Paul are advised to lock all doors and windows immediately. A suspect has been roaming around St. Paul killing anyone in her path. Information is unknown at this time. Don't open the door for anyone unless if it's a family member. Stay safe and stay tuned for more information about this dangerous situation.
Alright, officers, we are going after this woman, and I want to make sure you both got her information so we can send it out to these systems. Yes, sir. We were just about to do that until you informed us. Alright, now go find out who she is. Oh, shit. This area has turned into a fucking crime scene. Yo, look. There's some weapons that have been dropped there. And there's some handprints on it, too. Maybe if we scan it, maybe we get to know who the killer is. Here, take this weapon, and I'm gonna go around and search for something else. Dude, no. Are you that fucking dumb? Ugh, let's just scan it. There we go. We got the info. Her name is Oh no. Uh-oh. I gotta get out of here. Yes, send the boss. Send the boss. Whew. That was a close.
何をしているのですか。
The following message is transmitted at the request from the St. Paul Police Department. The killer that has been roaming around murdering people has been confirmed. Her name is Your Breyer, age of 27. White skin, currently wearing an assassin outfit. aggressive behavior, blood's covered in her hands, and holding 2 gold stiletto weapons. She is extremely dangerous and can't be approached. If you are outside, go back inside immediately. She will kill anyone if outside. Make sure your family stays safe at all times until the situation ends, and also, stay alive. Stay tuned for more information about this dangerous situation. A shelter in place has been issued by the police department. Your Briar has the ability to bust down doors. You must take shelter immediately. Locked doors are now useless. Get into a shelter immediately.
許しません。
I've been trapped for 50 years? Why won't you leave me alone? Take him down!